So hello everyone, welcome back. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my new filming setup. So I don't know about this, I forgot how do you call this, but I'm gonna put the name here. I don't know which on my side. So I love this setup because you can change whatever you want background. If you want to change it with different background, you can do it really easy. And yeah, it's really easy to change your background all the time if you want to film a beauty vlog. Normally if you're filming a beauty vlog, so that's what it look like my background right now. This is my background. So I'm gonna tell you all the background that I got online. So I like this background. This is my favorite background, by the way, guys. It look like the blurry background. As you can see, it's blurry. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you one at a time how I put it set up to my back. Later I'm gonna attach the videos, but now we're just gonna talk the different background that I got online. I'm so happy that I got this idea for filming. If you're a beauty vlogger, for like you're a YouTuber, I highly recommend these tips for your background. You can change whatever background you want, like red, blue, whatever. So okay, let's start with this first background. So this is the first background that I'm gonna tell you about, guys. So I'm just gonna put clips how I attach it to the wall, and this is what it to look like on my background. So, and by the way, I got 4 different types of background for filming. So the second is this one. I already use it as a background for my what video is that? My Ramil London matte liquid lipstick swatches. So I use this cloth. By the way, this is cloth, really nice soft cloth, and this is what it's look like. It's like, I don't know how, like what size is this, but this is what it's look like blurry background too. So I'm gonna show you later, and we're gonna put it to the wall, and I'm gonna show you later what's look like on my background. But I already use it for my Ramil London lipstick. If you watch it already, you can see what it look like, this background on my videos. So third is this one. Haven't tried it yet. This fabric, this material is look like you know, like a tablecloth. So the second one is real fabric, really soft fabric, but this one is the fabric, it's look like a tablecloth as well, and also this one too, it's look like a tablecloth. So this is what it look like that, little brown with the lines on it. So this is what it look like, the third one. And the fourth one, sorry if you see the noise, is look like the plastic material. So the fourth one, the fourth one haven't show up yet because it came from China, so I have no idea when it's gonna show up. But as I mentioned it, I'm gonna put the pictures, so what it's look like, the fourth one that I haven't received it yet, so I have no idea when it's gonna show up. But anyways, I got 4 different backgrounds while I'm filming a beauty vlog. So this is the first one, so I'm gonna show you later, guys, how I attach it to the wall. So this is a really nice idea if you're doing a beauty vlog, makeup review, if you wanna those cute blurry background to your back. So I just want to share with you guys so that you have an idea. If you want to try it, though, go ahead. I ordered it online, so all the items that I got, I'm gonna put in the subscription box below if you want to know all of these items that all these items that I'm sharing with you guys. So okay, let's go ahead and start putting it to the wall. What it look like, the background when I'm filming beauty product. Okay guys, this is what it look like, my background. So just a little space like that, you can see. So that's what it look like. So I do apologize about my computer. I cannot do anything about it, so because I only have little sections over here, bed, and then my computer area. So this is what it's look like on the back. So I'm gonna show you cool stuff, how I change my background. So are you ready? I'm excited to share with you guys. So this is a really good idea if you want to change different background when you're filming. So okay, it's hard to set up the cameras. So okay, I hope that you're gonna see what's going on. So okay, we're gonna start here. So I don't know, I forgot how do you call this wood. It's a magnetic wood, and one piece you're gonna attach it through the wall, and then the other piece of the wood, that's how you gonna attach the background. So I don't know if I say it or explain it right, but that's what it's gonna be look like. So okay, we're gonna start, guys. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but this one, a piece of wood, it's a magnet. They have this little metal that you can attach the magnet, and then the other piece is this one. You have to attach it through the wall. And what happened if you put it in, it's like, it's magnet, so it's easy to set up your background. So that's why I love this idea of background setup. So I really do love this idea. So this one too as well, as you can see, it for my background. So it's magnet too, that, and we're gonna put it on. This is what it looks like, and we just put it here. I'm not gonna do it perfect for you guys. I'm just oh, hold on, put it wrong side. So this is what it's gonna be like that. Hopefully my audio is like, so that's look like we already attached. And then let's do the other side. So there you go, you have a so there you go, you have a like nice background if you want to do a different background. So we're gonna switch. So it's hard. Sorry guys about my English. I'm still learning English. I'm a Filipina. I grew up in the Philippines, and English is my third language. So I'm still learning English, so I do apologize my explanation sometimes. So second, we're gonna try this to put it to our background. This is one of my favorite because this is really nice fabric. This is fabric, not plastic. Really soft fabric. So I'm gonna take this off, that, and we're gonna start putting this second background ideas. So I'm just gonna put it. It doesn't matter, like it's not perfect, because I'm just gonna showing you how easy to put this filming setup. So this look like that. Okay, so we already put the other one, and let's do the other side. and clip it. It's magnet, guys, so it's easy to set up your filming studio if you have those little small room to film. So that's what it look like. This is my favorite. This is so cute. So I'm gonna do a little film. See, this is like pokey lens, whatever background idea, because it's like blurry. So this is really cute background. This is one of my favorite backgrounds. So all right, let's move on to the third background that I got. So this material is like tablecloth. It's not real cloth. So I never tried it yet for filming, but we're gonna see what it look like on the background. So again, we're gonna put this here, like that. So you're just gonna place it like that, and then put this one here, and actually it's cute too. Actually it's cute. It's nice. It's cute background too. So okay, I'm gonna do, so that's how I set up my little filming studio. That's just a little tiny section at the middle of the at the side of the bed and at the side of my computer desk. So that's little sections over there. So that's where I film my videos all the time. So actually it's not too bad too. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and we're gonna see what it look like on our background. Those three background that I got. That background that I got online. So there you go, guys. So okay, so this is what it look like, the background. Actually I haven't tried it yet, but it's not too bad. I like it. I like that background is cute. So that's what it look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the two more background. So okay, so this is my favorite. This black give those little blurry background right there. So this is my favorite background that I'm in love already. So yeah, it's cute background, like hey everyone, welcome back, blah blah blah. So this is what it look like, the background for your filming little studio. If you don't have those big area to film, this little section is good enough for filming. That's why I do all the time. This is little section I have available on my filming. Okay, actually this one is really cute too. Look how those blurry background that give to your background. This is cute too. Really nice background too. So this is the third one. So the fourth one haven't showed up yet. I don't know when, but maybe I'm gonna put the pictures so that you have an idea what it's look like. So yeah, this is really cute background too. So hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.